Good evening, good evening, good evening. Now 10:30, I'm here at the Mustafa. Just jalan-jalan, buying something. See so many people, even nighttime, so many people here guys at Mustafa. See, this is the life here at Singapore, even very night already. They're still walking around. This is the Mustafa Center. This is a 24 hours, guys. It's 24 hours. 24 hours mall here at Mustafa Center, Singapore.